Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix in Instagram video selfie verification not working problem in Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Go to profile picture. Click on horizontal line. Scroll down. Click on help. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Click on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram account, video selfie verification not working problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.